If you've been using Google Drive for a while now, you'll know that it can become a disorganized mess of files if you don't have systems in place to keep everything organized. Here are some suggestions to develop long-term systems to make files easy to find. The use of folders can be a great way to keep your files organized and your drive looking neat and tidy. It's also easy to move files into a folder either one at a time or by doing multiple files into a folder at another time. Color coding folders can also make things easier to find. Let's change test 1 to yellow. And we'll change test 2 to purple. You might want to have everything you did in elementary school dropped into one folder. You know what? Let's do the same thing for our high school files. Okay, so now here's a sample of how you might want to set up grade 9. Create a folder for each of your courses. Then within class folders, your teachers might have a way they want you to set up and organize your folders. But one simple way is to divide the courses into units. This is very much like in the old days when we used to get dividers for our binders to keep all our notes organized. A couple of other useful little tips to find files fast. 1. Use the recent in the left navigation to get to the last files you used. Starring your files or folders can bring you back to frequently used items quickly. You just do that up here. Add to start, and then it'll pop up in that folder. You can also use filters when you're searching for files, such as searching for only a certain type of file or searching for a certain owner of a file, location, and at what time the file was modified. Staying organized is the key to success, especially the more you use Google Drive.